Unlock a faster, more personalized web experience by harnessing the power of Neon.today directly within your Chrome browser. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Chrome browser. Ensure you're using the latest version. For optimal compatibility, you can check for updates by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, hovering over Help, and then clicking About Google Chrome. Now, navigate to the Neon.today website. Simply type Neon.today into the address bar and hit enter. The site should load quickly, given its optimized design. Once on the site, take a moment to explore. Neon.today is designed for seamless integration into your workflow. Notice the clean layout and intuitive navigation. To truly streamline your experience, leverage Neon.today's customization options. Experiment with themes, add widgets, and personalize your feed to access the information you need most. If you face any display issues, adjust your zoom settings by using Ctrl+ or Ctrl. By using Neon.today directly within Chrome, you minimize clutter and centralize your online activity. Enjoy a faster, cleaner, and more productive browsing experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Chrome tips.